Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do the shaping for a batard. So what you will need a little bit of semolina on the bench, a pre-shaped loaf, and you can use water, or I prefer using just flour on your hands. You're going to grab the loaf like this and tilt on the bench. Then you want to pinch from the top, stretch and fold halfway. Then at the bottom towards the top. Then you put the loaf on the vertical and just pinch the top, roll it inside, push inside, then you pinch the skin from the top. Maybe just vieni un pochino più vicino forse dall'alto. Then from here you just keep rolling inside, rolling inside, rolling inside, roll the bread. Then those two sides to the bottom, towards the bench, then push inside. Then tension from the bottom and from the top. Done. Then you want to transfer the loaf into the semolina, give it a good dust, and into the proving basket. Then you will need to do the crisscross technique that I'll show you later. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.